the hungry ferret.
Hi everybody, so today we're going to take a look at the Rode Videomicro. It's a mic I've been looking at. It has a lot of features I've been looking for. It comes with a 2-year warranty, doesn't require batteries, it's a very compact size, it comes with a lyre suspension mount, and a dead cat, all for an amazing low price. Let's take a look inside the packaging. Comes with a cable, coiled, which is convenient. It's a thick cable and it looks tangle resistant. Don't eat that. Here's the lyre mount. It goes into the cold shoe or hot shoe. The mount is to absorb all the movement noise. The actual mic, and it comes with a dead cat. You see inside has foam and long bristles. The mic itself is solid and very durable. Everything's well made. For the price, it's pretty good. The mic is kind of heavy for its size. It's about 44 grams. So I'm going to put the mic in the mount. It's very tight, so you just gotta be careful. Most likely, I'm not going to take it out unless I really have to. So installation is pretty simple to camera. Just put it in the hot shoe. And connect the cable to the mic input. If you use a V-mount, it's also long enough. So here's how it looks with the windscreen. It's not as intimidating as the full-size Videomic Pro, especially without the windscreen. So here are some audio samples I have.
Armed with curiosity and a knack for reviews, he's the hungry ferret. Armed with curiosity and a knack for reviews, he's the hungry ferret. Armed with curiosity and a knack for reviews, he's the hungry ferret. Armed with curiosity and a knack for reviews, he's the hungry ferret. Armed with curiosity and a knack for reviews, he's the hungry ferret. Armed with curiosity and a knack for reviews, he's the hungry ferret. Armed with curiosity and a knack for reviews, he's the hungry ferret. Armed with curiosity and a knack for reviews, he's the hungry